Hey everyone, this is Octavia Beauty and I am Octavia. On my channel you are going to see makeup from drugstore to luxury. We're going to be focused on hauls, tutorials, and much more. I even throw in some bomb skincare, and now I am venturing into the natural curly hair gang. So, and because of my career as a registered nurse, I even also throw in a few nursing videos here and there. But today's video is going to be me filming my wash day routine. Most people would call this a wash and go, because I'm not washing and going. I'm actually going to go to bed. I'm just calling it my wash day routine. So you're going to see me do my wash day routine from beginning until end. So before we get into all of that, I want you guys to look down, hit your subscribe button, give your girl a big thumbs up, and make sure you hit that good old notification bell so you never miss an upload. So you guys, I am about to pre-poo my hair. I just want to show you guys my hair is 5 days old. I do try to wash. It doesn't look bad, but I do try to wash my hair like every 5 days. Even though it doesn't look bad, I do try to wash it every 5 days. And what I mean by every 5 days, I don't shampoo and condition it every 5 days. I actually shampoo it once a month, and then I co-wash, and then I bentonite clay once a month. So what I would do is shampoo my hair at the beginning of the month. Then I will co-wash 5 days. And I will co-wash 5 days. Then I will bentonite clay. Then I will co-wash. And then the next month it'll be time for me to shampoo again. Or if I don't use the bentonite clay, you guys, I will just use the shampoo and conditioner again. So that's why I say sometimes I shampoo and conditioner twice a month. Sometimes just once a month. Now I'm about to pre-poo, and pre-poo is just a step that you do before you wash your hair. And today I'm actually going to be co-washing. You can use coconut oils, you can use your DIY mix of oils, but I am going to be using the AMLA oils from Dubai. Now I purchased this specific one from Amazon for about 10 bucks. You get 300 milliliters in here. It's about 10.14 ounces. So I'm sure you could probably get it from somewhere maybe a little bit cheaper. Amazon is not always the cheaper place to get it. But the almond oil is a Indian oil. It comes from India. Indian women use it in their hair. And it is an oil. I'm just trying to pour a cap full in here. I'm wasting it. It has a very distinct smell, but I just pour some in my hair. Indian women uses it. It strengthens your scalp and your hair. It reduces premature pigmentation loss from your hair or gland. It stimulates hair growth. It reduces hair loss, and it prevents or treat dandruff, and it also will prevent or treat parasitic hair and scalp infections such as lice. So AMLA oil has lots of good benefits. And the way you use the oil is you can put this on dry, dirty hair. And I think they say like different bottles tell you how long to leave it in. My bottle says an hour, but you could definitely put this on like the night before you shampoo. If you know you're going to shampoo the next day and shampoo it out, you can leave it on pretty much as long as you want. But it has a very specific smell to it. So I tend to leave mine on. I don't wear it overnight because I don't like the scent. But I love to pre-poo with it. I do think it conditions my hair. I massage it into my scalp. And so honestly, I just got off of work and I've already showered. And I thought I would go to sleep. But since I'm not going to sleep, I'm going to pre-poo and maybe finish the rest of my wash routine. So there you have it, you guys. I'll be back when it's time to go to the next step, preferably in an hour, but I'll let you guys know how long it's been when I come back. You want to coat your hair, you want to massage it into your scalp, stimulate your scalp to stimulate their growth. And my hair doesn't look that bad at all though, but I try to wash it every 5 days, no longer than every 7 days. I try not to, by the 7th, if I haven't washed it 5th day, by the 7th day, I try to wash it. So I try to wash it every 5 days. If not, then no longer than the 7th day. So I left the Prepoo in my hair about 7 to 8 hours because I did fall asleep. This is me getting in the shower. I am saturating my hair with water. Then I'm going in with my As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. Then I take my scalp massager, massage it in. I took my hairbrush and I tingled and I rinsed it out and dried with a t-shirt. Now I am applying my deep conditioner, my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Treatment Mask. I think everyone should have this in their hair routine. It's such a good deep conditioner. It hydrates your hair so well. It doesn't like smell perfuming or anything, but it works so great. It's one of my faves, and it's definitely going to be in my hair routine for a very long time. I am just applying this throughout my hair, and I'm going to add my shower cap and my hot head. So I placed the Glow by Day Flaxseed Hot Head, and it's good for hold heat. I microwave it 1 minute on each side, and then I place it on my head, and it feels so warm and good. It's so amazing, and I love to deep condition this way and also with the hood. So I leave my hair with the deep conditioner for 30 minutes with a timer. Now I've rinsed it out and I am drying with a t-shirt. Now we're going to go into the rest of the process. So now I am just showing you guys how my hair look after deep conditioning and drying with no products. You can see my curls are still popping through and the hair looks great. I am taking the BRIOGEO Restorative Hair Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This is my leave-in conditioner. You can purchase a full size of this from Sephora for $28. I absolutely love the BRIOGEO brand. It is black on, and it is also no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. And I absolutely love this leave-in conditioner. It makes my hair just feel so smooth and conditioned. There I was just showing you like the straight part in my hair that is still relaxed. Now I am going in with my DIY oils. I'm going to take it to my scalps and put it all over my hair. My oils have moisturizing oils in it and sealant oils. So this is going to help moisturize my hair and my scalp and also seal in the moisture that is in there. It also has oils in there that help stimulate growth and prevents dandruff and breakage. I have so many good oils in it. If you guys want to see a video of what oils I have in it and the measurements of them, I can definitely put them in. I'm just massaging my scalp, my edges, everything with this oil. This oil is so freaking amazing and my hair feels amazing all week. I never have to reapply oils unless I just want to. Now we're going into my first styling product. This is the Shea Moisture Curl styled in milk. This is my first time doing my hair this way. I'm using a cream curl product and also a gel. I'll just put that in my palms of my hand and just rub it all over my hair and just try to cover it all. Adding some more water to my hair, just make sure that we are pretty moisturized. I am grabbing the KINKY curling custard. You can purchase this from Target or Sally's Beauty from $16.99. I'm sure you can get it from Amazon. That's my dimming brush. I think you can get those from Amazon for, I think the price of those have really gone up. It's like 20 bucks. I'm just parting my hair, applying the KINKY curly styling custard, and just taking my dimming brush and going through it. Sometimes I like using the dimming brush and sometimes I don't. The dimming brush makes my curls more tighter. I get more shrinkage when I use my dimming brush. When I use my dimming brush and my my diffuser, I get so much shrinkage. But I'm just applying the curling custard to each section of the hair and going in with the dimming brush just to help my curls pop. I like some shrinkage because when I do get some shrinkage, like over the course of the days of my hair, my curls get more looser and they get more prettier, and they're already popping day one, but they just get more beautiful as times wear and my hair holds up so well. Okay guys, I tried to wait till my hair was completely done, finished air drying before I came back on the camera, but it was taking forever because I left my diffuser, so it's just air drying. But while my hair was air drying, I did do my makeup and I filmed some more videos. But this is the final look of my wash day routine. My hair, it looks so healthy and so good. Like I even can feel like right up in here like new hair follicles like starting to sprout. Like my hair is gonna get more density because of the things that I'm doing. And I'm excited about all of the products and trying the new things. And I'm so excited about my hair and my hair routine. And I just want to share with everyone. And I hope that I can teach other people to learn to love their natural hair. And if I am helping one person, it is absolutely worth it. But I'm going to holler at you guys later. Make sure you give your girl a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.